Hello, my name is Jose Arias. I had my hair transplant about 9 months ago. This is how it used to be in the past. I was really happy to see, that they can just regrow my hairline. I feel excellent. It's a pretty easy procedure to do. Dr. Rodrigo did a wonderful job, and I'm so happy. And this is my 9-month control, and I hope that all people be really stimulated to come and fix the problem. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you, Jose.
And in Spanish.
Sure.
Okay. Mi nombre es José. Hace 9 meses esta era la apariencia que tenía en mi hairline. Vine acá, el doctor Rodillo me hizo el hair transplant. Como pueden ver, es excelente. Muy contento con el tratamiento. Van solo 9 meses y excelente. Recomendado al doctor Rodillo para el tratamiento del cabello. Gracias.
Muy bien. Gracias por todo, Jose.
Okay.